been thinking about this, this whole critical race theory. I don't like thinking about things like this, actually. I'd rather think of other things.
I agree.
But I know you got your mind wrapped around this, and I've been hearing these snippets and this big talk about all this, and even just the wording critical race theory is just a lot. But one of the things I'm noticing, I'm now hearing comments about it in the church. So can you just help me think through what is critical race theory, for one? I mean, just give me the fifth grade, maybe third grade level, okay?
Okay. Because that's what I'm probably capable of.
Oh, it's not true. I've heard others. Bring it down.
Yeah, I thought about it because when you have a program saying atheists say the darndest things,
Yes.
and you start talking about critical race theory, you wonder if that fits in. But I think I can tie it in for you as to why even though I would prefer not to discuss it, I think I have to discuss it and kind of take out some of the that what does it mean kind of thing for people, because I think I have a grasp of a pretty simple understanding of what it does. And what I say to you is whenever you have an ideology, and that's kind of what this is. It started in a legal sense, but it'll end up being an ideology, and I'll explain that to you. I ask myself, what is it, right? How does it define itself? What tenets does it hold? What's it mean? What's it think are truths?
Yeah.
And then what is the fruit it's bound to bear?
Okay.
Because every thought you have bears fruit when you're thinking of bigger thoughts. Like you decide that you're going to follow Christ. Then, okay, is that worthwhile? Yes. Okay. What does it mean? Well, you'll have to sacrifice your self-interest, blah, blah, blah. Well, what's the fruit it's going to be? You'll be hated by the world, right? You may suffer great loss, right? But your reward is in the other world. Okay? That's a great reward. Okay, that's answered those three questions I just asked.